banking easy.
Ecobank, a better way, a better Africa.
You know gets Ecobank branch near you? No wahala. Just waka go na the nearest Ecobank Express points from cash deposits to withdrawal. Express points agents am ready for serve you. Whether na the Ecobank mobile app, USSD, or with your debit card, you go pull cash fast and easy. Need for pay you bills, school fees, light bill or taxes? Do all that na the nearest Express points. Want send or receive money across Africa? Just use rapid transfer. It work na 33 country them. Just go na the nearest Express points. You fit redeem token where you get from the app or USSD. Guess what? You don't even need a bank account. Just carry the code go na the Express points and collect your cash. Plus, agents can help you load prepaid card. And if you low on airtime, no stress. No worry yourself. Buy AfriCell or Orange airtime na the same location. This na banking way simple, convenience and close to you domot. Ecobank Express Points, any side you easy. Ecobank, a better way, a better Africa.
Okay, and good morning, and welcome to the maiden edition of the Ecobank Hour. Within here today for make sure say we can discuss about Ecobank, about initiatives, so product offerings and things where they happen at Ecobank. And me where they anchor the program this morning, my name is Sheikh Umar Sissoko Jallo. I am the head of brand communications and marketing at Ecobank Sierra Leone. And I did at the studio with two of my colleagues and I go allow them for make them introduce themselves and their various and designations. I will start with the very first individual, very closer to me.
Good morning, Fambuldem. Mina Drusilla Admayakuka. Mina, the head of local corporates and SMEs inside Ecobank Salon Limited.
Thank you very much, Drusilla. And next to the fine gentleman.
Good morning, Fambu. You already listen. Mina Sa Musuya Masu. Are they in charge of digital channels? Ecobank that they talk about we platform them we customer then they use for do transactions electronically. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Sir Musuya Masu. Before we go to the program proper, and I go allow for make sure say then get a video where they play for us, for make sure say we spice up we listeners them out there for me to watch this video. Thank you very much. I believe say that short video clip say they really tell you exactly about one of the offerings that we can discuss now this morning and waiting on B Ecobank and contributions in terms of gender financing across the 33 affiliate markets in Africa. So I go start with the very first individual for make sure say it can tell you exactly what we did now for and one pan the key offerings that we can discuss. Madam Drusilla Koka. I want to make you tell me exactly what's in Elevate by Ecobank.
Elevate by Ecobank. Na Ecobank in your gender financing program where we form for support women business them inside Africa. Ecobank realize say women them na a marginalized community. Women them get a lot of issues them in terms of accessing to finance and a lot of things that we women them a bit marginalized span. And when Ecobank realize say for let we make this Africa, this continent go before, we need the woman business them for come up. We need for empower with woman business them because we all sabi that saying what they can say Where you educate a woman, you don't educate the entire community. So now that's Ecobank self they do say where it empower woman, it empower the community, it empower the country them, and it empower Africa as a whole. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And Dusila, exactly, don't tell we waiting elevate by Ecobank. They're about, and it's a gender financing product, and we cater for women-owned business and women-focused businesses them. So, Dusila, when Ecobank Sierra Leone introduced Elevate on this market?
So International Women's Day in 2020, now we first launch Elevate na the market. We launch Elevate 10 and day now for registered business the normal we launch for majority because we realize say woman business a majority na SME them and then small business, and so we launch Elevate that 10 day inside 2020. But as years they go on, Ecobank also realize say not to the one the normal way them business register gets they make impact in a society for the under Elevate. So what in Ecobank do? Inside June, then at the International MSME Day, June 27 last year, now we launched the enhanced version of the Elevate. We can call it Elevate 2.0. That one, they know they look no more at registered businesses them. They look from the corporate side, the woman they will occupy the C-suites them, where they act as mentors them, the woman CEOs them, woman MDs them, woman professionals them. We take them from that side, we bring and can down. So the woman business and the registered one them. We also know say beaucoup people in the way they do business, we not register. Then they do business and you name them. But Ecobank want take them through that step there. So we bring Elevate Kandong back to individual woman business them. So now that's we do inside June 2027. Okay. 2025.
Thank you very much, Dusila. And I could recall the success at which way we get when we launched the enhanced Elevate version last year in June 27 during the MSME Day. And I believe say with the enhanced version, it don't change the narratives and picture about Elevate, not only in Sierra Leone, but across with 33 affiliate markets in Africa. And there are a lot of things they part of the enhanced Elevate version. And as time progresses, we will discuss most of the key things in the program. Let's make account to Sir Musuyamasu. Sir, about a couple of weeks ago, we launched the business prepaid card. And I'm going to make we listeners them outside there, we customers them for make them understand exactly the value proposition of this business prepaid card we will launch.
Thank you very much, Umar. Ecobank na a bank where we always want to satisfy with customers, and we don't get into card business for some years now. I think, if I can remember well, from 2008 up to now, we give card to we customers them, and we give them card there so that then we able to do them transactions them smoothly. It will be easy for me they able to process them transaction with no yagba. And we come to the market this BNTM thinking about the business people them. There's small business where they come up, some small enterprises them. Then one-man business we register, and even the corporate institutions. They also want for do payment with card. There are some software where they want for pay for, some want for pay for flight tickets, some want for travel, or even manage the small expenses. So Ecobank sit down and do a card specifically for businesses, what we call a business prepaid card. So the businesses then get that card they available to the way they can able access and use them for perform the transactions. In terms of the value propositions, we get a lot of values where the customer go able really enjoy where they use this particular card will get na the market. I want to make say this card na the first card for businesses specifically in the market, and so we get site them we already available way they able get some discount on the card. We get side them like travel, so payment for some softwares, say for example accounting softwares. Then businesses can able get them software then they at a discounted cost. So the card really we bring another market so that the business is right now. I believe every business where they in operation today forget need of that card because it able manage expenses, it able do payment without no yagba with that particular product.
Okay, and thank you very much, sir. And sir, I want to know which type of customers we easily can obtain the business prepaid card, and who say customers then go obtain then card here?
So as I said, for the business prepaid card, the name says I don't take business understanding that now for them are within inside within they do small business them. As long as you register, you get qualification for get that particular card. So all you need for do inside to get the card, go to any of we branches them. We front officers then we relationship managers, even the front desk, they're all knowledgeable about the card. So you can go, you apply, we get an application form, then of course you get some other documentary support, which mainly when at the ID, and then we go issue the card to you. And the good thing about this card, now instantly, none of us see they go apply today, then tomorrow you come for the card. No, you go apply as long as you meet the KYC. KYC mean know your customer requirement. Where not the standard, we can just issue the card to you, and you load them. You begin to do your business very simply.
Okay, and then thank you very much, Sir Musuya Masu, as actually tell we about the business prepaid card and the value proposition within customer intends for gain in terms of the business prepaid card. So I will come back to Drusilla. Drusilla, what is the qualified a female-owned enterprises for make sure say them benefit from Elevate?
Once you dey do business, you be an individual where they do business, you be a registered businesswoman, you be a professional. But for you be an Elevate customer, if you're not a registered business, you for either now you get the business or you own like 51% shares in the business. That's now one. Two, if the business where you get, if between 20 to 30% of the people in the business, the management staff, them are woman, that business they automatically na Elevate. Or if not to management safe, if between 20 to 30% of the people that were employ in that business day, then a woman, then that business they na Elevate business. Or if you dey run business, then the business they cater for the needs of woman, then that business they na Elevate business. Example of business and business they would deal with hygiene products them when a woman they use. So even if na man they manufacture a man gets the business home. But because na business where they help for make woman life better, na Elevate. So also individuals them who get some people they when are managing directors them, then are CEOs them, then are directors them, na organizations them. Then self qualify for the under Elevate because then can offer mentorship to other business and for let other women themselves come up like them. Then if you do business, if I like register, but you na woman, you do business. Can no na Ecobank, you na Elevate customer.
Okay, and thank you very much. So actually, Drusilla don't qualified who are supposed to be part of the Elevate program by Ecobank Sierra Leone. And Drusilla, taking into consideration during the International Women's Day, we don't see there are a lot of emphasis in terms of promoting gender financing, not only in Sierra Leone but across with the three affiliates where Ecobank they operate. So we see for Elevate, we get the three core pillars where we talk about access to finance and access to market and access to knowledge when our capacity building. In terms of access to finance, what are some of the challenges that we women-owned enterprises don't face in Sierra Leone for access finance and how Elevate on the help for pushing this entire challenge where women may get?
So thank you very much, Sisoko. So the reason we make Elevate form now because Ecobank see then challenge there where you ask me about so then see then challenge you say na woman in the face and decide for try for combat them. One of the major challenge with woman in the face for access finance na collateral. Woman them easy for see a lot of women then get register property then at their name. Some of them, it didn't have their family name them. It didn't have their man they name them. And if you look around the markets, salon will go say self better we blessed. Some markets and they across Africa way, woman a lot of things in the way woman can't do without man not in up BNM. There was a time inside this country salon, woman they go rent house if you not get man BNM. So some of them bottlenecks and then Ecobank see and decide say we for come bridge then gap then day. In terms of access to finance, Ecobank we don't do well for we customer them, we woman business them, because you can take loan of up to $50,000. We not ask you for the kind of thing when they ask for like collateral. You don't need for kind of property. We're able for structure and for you. Once you cash flow, your business where you they do, it able for it okay for you for you able for get up to that kind of amount day. We're able for do that day for you. And even if you dey count collateral safe, we try for make the collateral not to tranga like the normal business as usual business them. So what would they ask for normal customer then for come with a minimum of 120% collateral coverage if you want for can take loan. For we elevate business them above that $50,000 day, but they ask for 100% collateral coverage. So they try for make woman they able for kind side and get enough and get easy access to finance. And if even with the access to finance, we also they help them for make them business them run easy one. So they talk about business prepaid card. Now some of them package they will put for we woman them. We get what we call Google My Business again. Where would they register with woman business them pan? So then they be visible to anybody around. Just go online, you check for them, then did it. We they call create networking opportunities them. We they make a platform for we woman business and for grow. So in Ecobank, we not only they look at the money we go give you for go help for grow your business, but they try for make you you build your network, because we believe say you network and you net worth. So with woman business, so they try for let them build a network them. So not only for give them money, but for also make them grow. So as you talk about the three pillars, them capacity building, access to finance, and access to market, we really they try for make with woman business and thrive in the areas than this.
Okay, thank you very much. And Dusila actually don't talk on the key three pillars them upon which elevate customers them and elevate and as elevate by Ecobank stands. So it's not only about providing the finance, but Ecobank they go beyond providing the finance, and for make sure say they provide non-financial services. So some of them businesses here for make them thrive, for make them grow, and as well as for make them get that kind of connection, they connected with other people where they trading across Africa. So make a come back to Samusu Yamasu. So what is somebody need forget for make sure say obtain the business prepaid card?
So, what do you need forget as a business forget with business prepaid card? All you need is one, the person way get for be managing, where they manage the card, get forget an ID, a national ID, because we need the name for that particular card where we set up. And then you get for submit your passport picture. The person, say for example, if not the MD or whoever, not the proprietress, not the business, if not get for use the card, we get for need an ID and passport picture. And if now a type of organization wherein we get a structure complex, we also ask them for do some form of request letter and submit them together with the form. So with that simple requirement, you'd be able to get your business prepaid card. Again, I say you need the passport picture of the person we get for use the business prepaid card. You need the ID card, and then they go complete the form and sign up, and the person or the business go get a prepaid card. Make I also clear this that the business prepaid card, not for say now for only businesses with the Ecobank. No. As long as the business registered as alone, come for your prepaid card today. All you need is fulfill that criteria of getting your national ID, the person with in charge, and then they complete the form with again the card.
So I want to tell you viewers and say you don't need to forget accounts at Ecobank before you get a business prepaid card.
Yes. You don't need the prepaid card with give anybody as long as you fulfill the KYC requirement. We are just mentioned.
So it's about the KYC requirements. The moment you fulfill and then you are qualified for the business prepaid
your
card.
business is qualified. But why not come and do business with this bank? We really cater for you need them. So as you come, it's also an opportunity for with me sister colleague they talk about elevate, maybe elevate customer. other services and product we dey offer na the bank wey might fit you need as a business. So it open a whole door of opportunities where you can come in as a business person and tap into them. And by getting your, so you added your normal account with we.
Okay. And sir, I want to know, is there any specific requirement how for use the prepaid card?
So the prepaid card, the business prepaid card now, like any other card, however, designed specifically for businesses. They also get access to some services, some discount where the normal card not get. So in terms of routine available where customer then can use or access, it get additional features, additional discounts for some purchases where they make, where the business could benefit from that.
Okay, and thank you very much, Sam Suyama. So I want to know exactly if the business prepaid card can link directly to the individual in account, because most times people can always tend for complain about that. I want to know if it link directly to the individual account or the business prepaid card not can easily linked directly to the customer account.
So business prepaid card is not directly linked to you, the business account. The business account stand alone and the prepaid card stand alone. So if you do transactions with the business prepaid card, now only the funds were available on the business prepaid card, now you exposed to, meaning if na 100,000 again at the business prepaid, 100,000 mean 100 million leons. The way they use a business prepaid card, the business where then they use that business prepaid card online, or then they use them physically for do payment, a POS, or do ATM transaction for cash. Now only that cash within the business prepaid card, and that's where really the management of expenses come in. So we can say per month, this now we use for petty cash. We put them inside the business prepaid
Just
card.
load them directly in the business prepaid card.
Yes, you put on the business prepaid card and you begin for use them, and of course Ecobank give the business platform within they provide report of every transaction where they be performed on that particular business prepaid card.
Which type of platform they will Ecobank provide for customers then?
So for the business prepaid card, any card where Ecobank issue to a business person or a particular business, there is a profile we they create for that particular business. So somebody identified probably can be the accountant, the CFO, can be probably the MD or the proprietor, the proprietress. I'm listing names. It depends to which category you fall. That person will get that responsibility. We can get access. You can log into that portal with a defined, unique login details. That is username and password will go only be unique to that particular person. And then you go able to see transactions on the card. You go able to see the balance. You go able to see the history of transactions. You go also see if anything in terms of any type of transaction we then do when an ATM differentiated ATM POS, all of them to online differentiated on that portal. So we give the customer, what we try to do with that, we give the customer 360 view and we give an authority over money. We not like say, okay, we give you product, but the authority is given to somebody else for money. No. The customer has to get on that particular card and get 100% management authority over the card and the funds in that card.
Okay, and thank you very much, Samusu Yamasu. Actually, you don't educate to viewers about the business prepaid card. I will come back to you. So, Dusila, you will explain about the challenges in terms of Elevate by Ecobank. So, I want to know what are the successes and the impact of Elevate by Ecobank in supporting women-owned businesses in Sierra Leone. Maybe we can make reference to one or two female-led businesses the way Ecobank don't support. Yes, in Sierra Leone.
So since we launched Elevate in 2020, we don't get over 1,000 customers, woman customer that we would all register. We don't give loan of over $6 million. where are they talk about loan over $6 million? Right now, the loan balance, because they give loan people and they pay and take, the loan balance they're about $6.8 million in terms of loan. We don't get deposits, then customer they don't deposit over $5 million. In terms of success story, it is all over. If you go now with Ecobank page them, you go see with success stories them. And also free tongue no more. We get success stories in a Kenema. We get customer when a agriculturist, na farmer, where they talk about Ecobank and how Ecobank don't move them. Whenever they get in contracts with the international NGOs, them they don't move. Customer like we don't see the Kenema. Now success story dandy. Where you go McKinney, you get Subish restaurants. From one shop, you don't get past almost shop. We get customer in a free tongue here. We get Sabi Unimax, we can see him to carry and bike them up and down. Ecobank, nine di cutting three way tinap bienam. For make delect today, all man can call for contract. And not afraid for take any contract in this country. So then I just few of them customers. They will get boku. Go now with Ecobank page them, we social media page them. You they see all this the success stories them. We get customers that will they come out and talk the benefits that they don't get from being involved with this Elevate by Ecobank.
Okay, and though according to Drusilla, since Ecobank Elevate by Ecobank was launched in 2020 to date, we don't get over 1,000 plus customers on the Elevate program, and a loan facility of $6 million and above, and also a deposit of $5 million and above. It don't made mention of few individuals. But quite recently, I was in McKinney. I beget an interview with Subish. And that interview day, it was so captivating, where in Subish say, Ecobank has already elevated our business from one level to another. And if they even try for make sure, say, make a case for other women, the way they do businesses in McKinney and beyond, for make sure, say, they get an account with Ecobank and start for bank with Ecobank, so they too can benefit from the Elevate program, like you made mention of. We don't see na Kenema. Drusilla, after some of their success stories here, we still get women businesses that we still work through na Ecobank in all of our branches and for make sure say they still request say one day part of this Elevate program.
So every day, woman customer they can inside. I always have to go and talk to them because we know say again, woman they no one for left them, then shop them or then small business them what they do. So I always have to go out and talk to them now. So every day, woman they can inside. And as I say, we table them, we get a request, and then I will table them what they work on constantly every day. So the one for say plenty thank you to the customer and the way go on social media and talk how we don't they support them. Because then success stories and they don't give other women then trust for let them come. Now Ecobank no say the money they insecure, they will be elevated. I make give the product name Elevate. So go elevate them to different level. And we just Elevate by Ecobank, we just take you to places. Would they make your business go to a level where you say they stop and say, na me don't go so. And at one post they make that they happen. Na Ecobank.
Yes, now Ecobank no more. They make sure say they elevate women-owned businesses from one stage to another. So I think say we can give you a short video of the impact of Elevate, and after that video, we will still continue the program.
Ecobank's award-winning suite of solutions for women in business is expanding to be bigger, better, and more inclusive. If you're an entrepreneur and your business is not yet registered, take advantage of expert coaching and training. Get visible online and reach more customers. Access finance and smart business resources. If you run a registered business, develop your business capabilities and expertise. Benefit from bespoke financial solutions. Access new markets. Connect with experienced female mentors. And if you're an accomplished professional, achieve your gender and diversity goals. Support and empower other women. Inspire and influence with your expert skills. Develop your legacy and social impact as a mentor. And foster a culture of growth and development in your peer group. Join our community at ecobank.com/elevate. Elevate by Ecobank. A better way, a better Africa.
Elevate by Ecobank, a better way and a better Africa. So we still continue with the Ecobank Hour at Scoot Media FM 103.9. Me with the anchor the program na Umaru Sisoko Jalo, the head of brand communications and marketing. And I did at the studio with me two colleagues, Dusila Koka and as well as Sam Musuyamasu, where we discuss around the Elevate and as well as the business prepaid card. So we still continue with the program. So, Madam Dusila, would already talk about the successes, the impact of Elevate. And I want to know what are the other kind of supports and where Ecobank they provide again for women-owned enterprises where they under Elevate program.
So, yes, apart from the finance who they support them in, we they grant them access to markets. Access to market, what we mean by that one day. We they help with women business them for able for go in a different area them. We get a product we call the single market trade hub. We're not for salon no more. So we register with woman business inside that platform there. People that with the other side in Africa, we need waiting with woman business and they sell or waiting and they do. Be able for connect together.
So it's about matchmaking?
Yes, we do matchmaking, we do networking. We they get programs them way, we get partners them with. What would they try for? Would they enroll with customers then they? Would they partner with Creative Hub? Between we and Creative Hub, would they try for ensure say we bring we customers and can together so that they go learn from each other. We get platforms that we will give them for help them for make them business them better. We get training programs that we will also they do for we customer them woman business them. We get to Ecobank Academy where we can do they can send training tutorials them, or they do webinars them, or they train them on budgeting, on customer service, on bookkeeping. Because not so only for lay you can a bank you say I want money bank give you. Now for make you able for tin up and grow as a business person. Not so only pan the money side, but for you see your business grow. So we also the help customers them for develop them business them. So customer then right now then they speak say we they able for do financials. Because we don't train them for make them able for do them basic cash flow them. So not so done no more. We do a lot of other webinars, networking, any program we get. We they try for showcase with business and that side.
Okay. And I go made mention to one Elevate customer and a Kenema within the concept is. They say one of the good side of Elevate when you happy for are the kind of platform that we give them. For example, like OmniLight, we can get access to for make sure say in doing payment. It says since and get access to OmniLight as a payment platform. It say that their life become very much easier for them. It say in the easily pay, it supplies them from Sierra Leone and across. So I'll make you tell people what are some of them platform here and how them platform here don't make life become very much convenient and seamless to Elevate customers when it comes to matter of banking.
So nobody no wants for spending in time na bank or for wait for transaction for be done. We get with OmniLight platform will give we Ecobank pay cost we Elevate customer them. OmniLight na a platform, an internet banking platform where they give you a 360 degrees view of your account. You're able for pay your salary, you pay your suppliers them. You don't even make cash payments now. So the thing about checkbook safe, you don't even need checkbook. Because you want for make payments, cash payments, you dey go na the platform, you do your transaction, you give the person receipt, you go na bank, you go take the money. So then they don't make you they see your account as person go put money, you they see them, you do everything they happen with your account. So they don't sleep because you know say your account safe. We get what we call POS. We they go put POS for you because all man know say with cash there are challenges. But if they make people make payments into your account directly when they buy your products, we get Ecobank Pay. When a QR code where they go put for you na your business, where they make you help for collect your payments them. So people they go buy na your business place and they help for collect you they collect payments them through them channels then.
Okay, and Drusilla don't highlight the major channels where they make banking become very much convenient and seamless for we Elevate customers them. Make I come back to Sam Musuyamasu. Sir, how somebody they load the business prepaid card and Usai some if I want load my business prepaid card, Usai they go directly for make sure say I load this business prepaid card.
Thank you very much, Umar. So for load the card, we make it simple for customers. Today, we agent them across the country, then various locations there. The customer can use the agent for load in cash inside the business prepaid card. And added to that, we also we branches them where the customer can use for put money at the business prepaid card.
How many branches there we get?
Currently, we get 7 branches, and in terms of agent, we get above 200 agents scattered across the country, and then we're able to use them for put money at our business prepaid card. But look at the last one. The customer instead said the loading card. So on Drusilla don't talk about OmniLight for SME customers. Then we get another platform where we call Omni, all our internet banking platform, the way we design for customers and businesses, from that small business to that very, very huge business. We design them for them at Ecobank. So on that platform, if the customer or the business get account with we at Ecobank, then can go inside that platform. The people we then do assign for get profile on that platform to their account, and there's a model on that particular platform where they use for load the business prepaid card. So at the end of the day, if you want to use 200,000 or 50,000 or 10,000 as the case may be, you want to pull on your account, put on the business prepaid card, you can log into that OmniLight or Omni Plus and take on your account and put on your card. Nobody not get for be interfere with that transaction. No manual processing not get for take place. You load them and then you go and use your card. This can make life simple for customers. Say for example, we get the CEO don't travel, we get a business prepaid card. Maybe they're somewhere else in the world, they do business. Then they need money for pay with their business prepaid card. We know the card. Maybe in a Sunday, bank close. So waiting to happen. The person will get access can log in on that Sunday morning or Sunday evening or midnight, any time of the day, debit the account, the business account, and credit the prepaid card. So we get 3 ways for load the card. You, the customer, use SF. You will get account with Ecobank. It able load them from your account using we internet banking platform and load the card. We able use we express points when we agents that across the country. I mentioned say we get over 200 express points across the country. Then it able also use we branch them. In any case, maybe the business we don't get the prepaid card, open account with Ecobank, account in physical cash. You can able use the branches and they put the money now you card. Fourthly, is that it able use your mobile app. Your mobile app today, where we get an Ecobank, you get a particular option or a module within the Ecobank mobile app. It able use that module, they debit the account and then load the business prepaid card. So we give the customer options we have available for load the card. All for make the customer in life be easier and not get too much struggle for.
So this will make banking become very much easy. Now say no yagba. That is a stress-free banking.
No yagba.
So at least I don't talk about the various channels and way customers in the use for make sure say they load them business prepaid card. So I want to know, is there any validity tied to the business prepaid card?
Yes, of course. The card today is valid for 3 years, and I want to say to you, from the day you get them, it take 3 years. During that period, you can load them, you use. Say for example, you load them today, you use them, you can load them tomorrow. So you're able to reload them on and on up to the 3 years period where it will expire. And where you expire or where they're about for expire, we even inform you. Say your business prepaid card expire this time on, if you can't replace them. So you come, we give you another one, Safo, and you continue for doing business.
Okay, and thank you very much, Samusu Yamasu.
Thank you.
make account to Dusila, we major focus about women entrepreneur, and how for bridge that gender financing gap when I elevate. So Dusila, I see during the International Women's Day on the 6th, Ecobank, we had a pop-up sale wherein we invited some elevate customers and for made and can showcase them businesses to Ecobank staff them. What was the rationale?
So we want for the customer they know say we dey celebrate them. We want for the staff themselves na Ecobank aware say we are also celebrating and partnering with the customer them. So not just the beginning, not this not the first one don't do pop-up sale in our office. We something and they work the way we they do. Some people them they work in our office no more than they. They're not able for come out and go do certain
Move
things.
from
Them.
one
Yes.
place to another.
So Echo we decided for bring the customer then come and can sell and make sales. Not so business more than they can give Ecobank, but Ecobank say for give them business. So we then come, we tell we staff them say we don't get customer they will sell this and this and this. When I can't go up and they tell you that day, I go tell you say majority of the one they will go buy itself and amend them. Because I've been towards, I've been inside Ramadan, people and buy their Ramadan things them. We sell a lot of things and they were perfumes and other things that we get people away then come, they can sell. So Ecobank, not to pass no more, we go meet the customer then. We can bring the customer themselves cancel we for ensure say the bank and the bank staff them supports the customer then.
Okay, and Dusila, I want to make you take me through in terms of the documentation we required for make sure say somebody be part of the Elevate program.
So for register for be part of the Elevate program, as I say, Elevate they deal with individuals as well as registered businesses. Then, so for registered business, all them documents the way you been take for go register, where you go register your business to corporate affairs or administrator general's office, and then documents and they will they ask for. You can with you the post where they sign at the account or the owners of the account. On account on our individual IDs them, on our passport size pictures them, and we can always make sure say you forget you tax registration document and you forget you cancel certificate. So if now Freetown you day, you will get a Freetown City Council certificate, or you get wherever you day, if now the rural areas that you day, you get you cancel certificates them, or they ask for them documents and they for can open account. And when you open the account, during the process of opening the account, they talk to you and realize you're an Elevate customer, they will tell you all the importance of Elevate and will register you on the Elevate platform. So anything where they come up for Elevate customer, you did. If you're an individual, what do you need for opening individual account? You two passport size picture, you ID card, and when they ask for you go get you NIN number. So they make okay ask for national ID card. So even you business account safe, where they ask that you count your national ID card because we can need your NIN number for register them. And then documents and they ask for them.
Okay, part of the documentation process in terms of somebody for be part of the Elevate program by Ecobank. For example, maybe Adebo and I want register my business, I want to be part of and the Elevate program. Across the 7 branches, we get any focal person they will sit down directly, maybe to say that is their job in terms of okay, well, this are from Elevate, how for engage from the engagement process, the documentation we required, and you take the individual through. Yes.
Across each of the branches, them we get designated relationship managers, them where they look after we businesses, them, and we get designated relationship managers where they look after specifically we businesses, them where they deal with we woman business them and woman customers, them. So when you go inside each and every one of the branch, them you can talk to the customer service person who meets at the desk, or you talk to the relationship manager the way they meet at the desk. Each and every staff, frontline staff na Ecobank, they are well knowledgeable about Elevate program.
So you don't tell me now exactly say you not just all you need for Kana Freetown, but across we 7 branches them in Makenibo, Kenema, and the 4 in Western area, anywhere we walk through, and you will make sure say they are designated individuals them. We will take you through in terms of not all in Elevate, but all other. If you are open savings, current, and any type of accounts where you are opened. So, and we will continue with this program, and we get a short video where they go can play for you, and after that we will try for wrap up this program on at the Ecobank Hour when on Good Media FM 103.9.
Are you tired of waiting in long lines at the bank? Say hello to OmniLite, your ultimate banking solution from Ecobank. With OmniLite, managing your finances has never been easier. Here's why. OmniLite allows you to enjoy easy access to your account information across multiple countries. Monitor your accounts in real time from the comfort of your home or office. Rest assured, with OmniLite, all your online transactions are guaranteed secure. Do you need to transfer funds? No problem. Whether it's domestic or international, OmniLite has got you covered. Make multiple payments effortlessly with our convenient multiple transfer service. And paying bills is a breeze with Quick Bill Pay. Plus, schedule future payments hassle-free with standing order. Want a checkbook? Just request it on OmniLite and it'll be delivered to your doorstep within 10 working days. Experience the convenience and efficiency of OmniLite today. Visit us online or at your nearest Ecobank branch to learn more. A better way, a better Africa.
Okay, and thank you very much. At least we don't watch that video there about OmniLite, and if you want experience in terms of convenience and efficiency when it comes to matter of banking, we have all of these solutions available now at Ecobank for make banking become very much seamless and convenient for the customers. Make a move on to Sir Musu Yamasu. Sir, in terms of the business prepaid card, what's in at the loading limit for 24 hours? Yes.
So the business prepaid card, we make them flexible, but the customer they able to load up to $10,000 equivalent at a time. Today, then they're about a little above 220,000. So you can load up to that per day and use, and you get the opportunity for loader again as the money they go down. So you can do that regularly as you might need for doing now your card. So the loading limit is $10,000 equivalent, with about 220,000 leons.
So I want to know if your customers then can easily load them business prepaid cards through ATM.
So we're not able to load through ATM today. So you did load, as I've been done indicating earlier, you get the OmniLite, the Omni Plus. You also get we express points there. When we agents across the country, all over we get agents them. You go see them get a signage when I express point, and then you're able to use them on we mobile app, load on with mobile app, and we branches them. So the category of customers we go on for cloud cash, we also provide the opportunity of using with branches or express point.
Okay, and what's in at the transaction limit per day for the business prepaid card? We don't load them.
So you get various transaction limit ranging from cash to payment. We want for support the financial inclusion agenda and also support the winner institution. We really they push that in terms of digitalizing economies, and that we think we push across with footprint in Africa. Ecobank that one institution where they push that agenda strongly. So in terms of transaction limit, we get different transaction limit. Cash, we get a lower transaction limit per day. We're now about 8,000 leons. The customer will be able to withdraw now ATM. And in terms of payment, it's able to do above 200,000. Say, for example, remember at ACA, it's able to load up to 220. Now you can't. It's able
$10,000.
Yes, about $10,000. So you're able to use that amount. Say if now it is some side now the world you want for pay for something where cost up to 200,000. You're able to use that card and pay on a single day within 24 hours. And I say for example, then load them today. You you don't maybe within a week or within a few days. You don't utilize that funds. You can able get you CFO, meaning the finance officer, whoever get that responsibility for load the card back and you able to spend again over and over. So that's not the loading limit for ATM on a cash, about 8,000. But for payment, when a POS on web and payment now include POS and also web transaction, it able to do up to 200,000 per day for transactions.
Okay. So make I come back to Drusilla. Make we continue for talk about the women and business. And I want to know exactly how Elevate align with the national initiatives in terms of promoting gender equality and women's empowerment.
So, Ecobank, the Gender Equality and Women's Empowerment Act, they focus for boost women's access to finance, where they break the barrier for the structural barriers the way women get the face. It aid for increase women capacity, for include women's participation. Now in the GIWI Act they try for talk about. And inside Ecobank, where they boost access to finance. I don't say initially what that say, we they give loans them for up to $50,000 to woman business them and woman them without a tangible collateral.
What are the interest rate in terms of Elevate customers?
The interest rates and fees for Elevate customers is lower than any other business.
Okay.
It's lower. One thing what we do is everything what we dey do for we Elevate customers them, we try for put them in a way that the woman go get, as I say, na access to finance. We no want for the woman can a bank again, begin the struggle, make we come and get make come on side get a be a safe space. And for we inside Ecobank for be a safe space for women and for boldly come up and say, I want for do this. And the bank is positioned for help we.
Okay.
So interest rate is way lower. I not go talk the interest rates now, but it is way lower. We they give collateral free loans of up to $150,000, and the collateral coverage what they take above $50,000, what they take now 100% instead of the 120 minimum of 120% for other businesses. We the fees them all they take, because you know say they take fees again a bank. The fees for Elevate customers them is way lower.
So everything about Elevate in terms of the interest rate, in terms of the fees, is very much lower.
Everything, the package what we make for
Yes.
Elevate, the package we make for Elevate. It's like like when you get egg, when you all egg now you earn, you dey take all of them, because you know how crack, you know how nothing do because you want for preserve them. Even if you demand fall now, also if you get an egg day, you dey take them, you know how nothing do them. That is how we take our Elevate customers then we pride and joy. And we're proud for say inside salon, inside Africa, now we first begin think of woman business system because we know the impact where woman businesses, where woman gets at the economy. Any economy we not bring woman can before, we not include woman pan anything, that economy not ready for go before. So we align with the GIWI Act. Women's participation, we're there. Now make with a network with customers then for ensure say we build the network. Because we believe that we woman the network and the network.
So and before ever we come to you for give you final word. So there was a popular Indian and philosopher who they say, when you educate a woman, you dey water your neighbor in garden. So now the same as of this moment, because considering the fact say the dynamics on change. Now when you educate a woman and where you give woman access to finance for making business thrive, and you don't make sure say you promote society, and things will definitely going to change.
So let's just give some small statistics here. First of all, the population, woman pass man. Yeah, we all understand that one day. Say woman boku pass man. Even inside Africa, woman boku pass man at the population. When you look at business system, 90% of all registered business system inside Africa, inside salon, are woman own business or woman managed, woman controlled, woman thinks them and everything. One of four business system we register. Go check. A woman getting business system. And also we realize say when a woman business or when a woman is being empowered, the empowerment not to insert this stone too.
That the nation has been empowered.
Yes, it empower in family, it empower in community, it empower the nation. And so if we want for lay the nation go before, we get for bring woman inside. And Ecobank in don't begin that they don't tin up under one day.
Okay, and before we come to Dusila, I want just ask her these few questions, one or two questions, from there I will give you a final word. Sir, how somebody go even able to manage in business prepaid card without working directly to any Ecobank branches, or we express point agents them?
Yes, so for manage your business prepaid card today, we make them very simple for the customer. When we issue the card, we create a particular platform or a profile for you where you log in to that particular portal and able manage your business prepaid card. Manage it in a way that you're able to see the balance, you're able move funds from that business prepaid card, assuming when I get 2 business prepaid card, another organization assigned to different people, you're able to debit that one card and send them to the other card. And he also
So
gave...
time no they catch you up. So what's my final message to the customers and viewers them out there?
Thank you very much. So me find a message to you where they listen and the business community in a salon. I want to make you calm. This product now for you. For make your payment simpler and also for make you able manage your expenses. This is a unique way for manage expenses. We go avoid the use of cash or go expose a lot of cash na the business place. So come any of your branch, we are available for help and get you the business prepaid card for make your life simple.
Thank you very much, Sir Musu Amasu, the head of digital channels, Ecobank Sierra Leone. Drusilla, what's my final message?
My message na to all woman business, woman professional. Come na Ecobank. Come and let we can help you for grow your business. Come let we can put you na the world map. If you want for lay your business better, if you don't want yagbapa your business, you woman professional, come na Ecobank. Thank you.
Okay, and my final message, make us thank the producer of the Ecobank Hour. This is the maiden edition of the Ecobank Hour on Scoot Media on our FM 103.9. And make us thank me 2 panelists, Sam Musu Amasu and that of Drusilla Koka. Till we meet next week Wednesday again for another edition of the Ecobank Hour. Mina Sheikh Umar Sisoko Jalo, and good afternoon and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
The Ecobank Elevates program na special package where Ecobank don design for businesswoman them and woman them where they manage business who gets plenty woman as staff and cover company them where they produce products them specially for woman them. This innovation they tailor for develop female entrepreneurs them for help grow them businesses them step by step. Ecobank they stand with them, give them the right support where them businesses them need. Some key features inside the Elevate program will be loan up to $50,000 with no collateral. Track record eligibility for 2 years. Interest rate and collateral terms them, you know go get no say. Financial services them like wealth management and insurance. Market access through My Trade Hub Africa B2B matchmaking. Capacity building through webinar, training and mentoring. Mentorship from corporate level woman leaders them. Plus loyalty and other benefits them like